Wah. Iya, satu lagi. Iya. Oh, na, sure naman. Iya, sitting. Kasi iya, sitting. No. That's I'm not showing no face tonight. See it there. See you sitting now. Yeah, man. There we are, man. There we are. Mackerel sitting. See there. Choke that tear up, man. Pussy clad. Kuya, man. No, man. Pussy bomber ass clad. Bomber ass clad. I know. Your place get fucked. Get fucked. Jaja youth. See you next spot I see now. Choke that tear up, man. Pussy clad. Kuya, man. No, man. Pussy bomber ass clad. Bomber ass clad. I know. Your place get fucked.
On a popular household cleaner, Fabuloso. The recall is pulling more than 4 million bottles off store shelves.
Stems from a type of bacteria called Pseudomonas. Fabuloso is known for providing 2 times the cleaning strength, but you may get more than you bargained for.
Yes, this is a cleaning product. It's not designed to have those bacteria in it. There was a mistake made.
The professor says there are different types of pseudomonas that can lead to serious infections when inhaled.
One in particular is the species is aeruginosa, and there's another is fluorescens. Can be a very bad pathogen, particularly to people who are immunocompromised.
If you clean your countertops with this inside, Dr. Spratt says you may end up spreading the germ around your home.
Somebody puts it into a spray bottle, that would generate an aerosol, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa in particular can cause very bad respiratory tract infections.
Dr. Spratt says a cystic fibrosis patient with the disorder could die.